Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class. Stay happy, stay healthy. Wash your hands thoroughly in warm water with soap for 20 seconds. Wear mask when you go outside. Now let's see our lesson number 5, the human body. The human body is made up of many different parts. The head, the trunk, and the limbs are parts of the body. The eyes, nose, mouth, and ears are in the head. The arms and the legs make up the limbs. The arms and legs are joined to the trunk. The neck joins the head and the trunk. The parts of the body that are on the outside are called external parts of the body. The eyes, nose, skin, arms, and legs are external parts of our body. Got it, children? What are the external parts of our body? The parts of the body that you can see are called external parts of the body. Each organ of our body does a special job called its function. The organs of the body that you can see are called external organs. There are many parts which are inside the body too. Think about those parts, children. Yes, the stomach, brain, heart, lungs, etc. are examples of internal parts of the body. They are located inside the body. The brain is present inside our head. It controls all our body functions. It helps us to think, learn, and remember. Let's see the second organ, heart. The heart lies on the left side of our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Now let's see about the third part, lungs. Our lungs are located inside the chest. They are like two small balloons. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in, the air gets filled in the lungs. When we breathe out, the air goes out of the lungs. Children, refer the activity given below this video. Now, let's see about the next organ, stomach. The stomach is located in the body just above where you wear your belt. It digests the food that we eat every day. Children, now tell me, what is an organ? Your body is full of different parts. There are those that you can see on the outside, such as your arms, hands, nose, and feet. And there are those on the inside that you can't see but have learned about, such as your lungs, heart, stomach, and more. We use the word organs to describe certain parts of your body that work independently and are distinctly separate from other parts. Most of your organs are those body parts that are on the inside, but some are parts that you can see. One great example of an outside organ is your skin. Doctors and scientists consider your skin to be an organ. In fact, it's the body's biggest organ. Your organs are very important to the way your body works together. Certain organs help you with different tasks such as breathing, digesting food, and going to the bathroom. When a group of organs cooperate to carry out a function of the body, we call it an organ system. However, our human body is comprised of many organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, musculoskeletal system, etc. We need food for our energy. Our body cannot use the food we eat as it is. It has to be broken down into simple substances which are soluble in water. The process of changing the food into simpler substances is called digestion. Organs of the digestive system: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine are the important organs of the digestive system. Let's learn about respiratory system. We breathe in air through the nose. Air is filtered due to the tiny hair inside the nose. The dust-free air enters the throat and trachea or windpipe. From here, it enters the lungs and oxygen from the air is taken by the blood and carbon dioxide is given out. The nose, windpipe, and lungs help us breathe in and breathe out air. Together, these organs form the respiratory system. The body needs oxygen. Oxygen is made available to the body by the respiratory system. Children, let's do an activity. Place your ear to the left side of your friend or your sibling's chest. You can hear a sound that goes lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. The lub-dub sound that you hear is made by the heart. The heart is in the chest region. Okay, children? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.